Hello, welcome to Rep Sports. This is Mohar Chaudhary.
And I'm Shorjani Chatterjee, and right now we are standing here at the BC Roy Clubhouse at Eden Gardens.
As we have always known, there is some talk in the media about the match ball every time, whether be it the Duke's ball in England or the Kookaburra in Australia. This is the particular ball that we will be using in this test match.
So right now I'm holding the SG ball and we are here at Eden Gardens, and as you can see that there's the pitch. I would not say that the pitch is particularly straight. It is at a slight angle. It is covered to prevent the invasion, and we can see the workers working over there, evening out the grass. A few minutes ago, the practice pitches were being worked upon so that the players could come in here and practice.
India are going to take on the World Test Champions right here in Eden Gardens, and it's safe to say that the entire city of Joy is already buzzing with excitement. We can see there are some side screens out here which are being painted. The dressing rooms are also being renovated right now. So over to you, Shorjani.
I would like to focus upon the lawn. It is being the beautification process is going on. It has been covered with artificial grass, and the whole city is waiting for the test match. Also, I would like to add the fact that while the players will be out there playing on the field, we should focus on the ground workers who are giving in their blood, sweat and tears in order for this test match to come to life.
So yes, we're all looking forward to it, very, very excited. Yes, I feel it's going to be I think it's going to be a little tough because they will be taking on the World Test Champions. But I believe that this new gun team also has everything that is required to give them a tough competition.
The toss is going to be a crucial factor here at the first test between India and South Africa. If I talk a little about the pitch, I would say that the pitch is batting friendly and it has a little bounce. The outfield is lightning fast, and once a bowler misfields or a player misfields, it becomes difficult for them to go and save the boundary.
I would also like to add that the tickets have been priced at a very reasonable rate, which indicates that people from all walks of life and across all age groups can come in and join. So yes, we're all really looking forward to it.
So, as we know that the test match is taking place at the Eden Gardens after a long time. So, what do you feel that the crowd, that the public of the City of Joy expect from the team?
I am pretty sure we all have high expectations from this new young gun team, because we saw in the England series how well they performed, especially after the success in that particular series. I'm pretty sure everyone is looking forward to the magic being unfolded out here. And yes, it's going to be a huge deal because Kolkata will be witnessing a test match after a very long time. And yes, this particular England series was responsible for restoring everyone's love and faith in the longest format of the game. And yes, so it is going to be, I feel it's going to be historical. What say?
With Yashasvi Jaiswal present at the squad and the way he performed in the Ranji match with 160 runs, I personally feel that India is going to win the first match, but I don't want to jinx it.
Yeah, we don't want to jinx it, but we're all hoping for the best.
May the best team win.
Yes, India.